Hello everyone, my name is Jerome. I'm the co-founder of NearYou. I am going to show you today how you can maximize your positive reviews in Google Review for your hospitality business. So it can be a hotel, a museum, a restaurant, a bar, any service company present on Google Maps and for which the ranking on Google is important. Imagine a plexiglass like this, for example, at the reception of your hotel or inside your point of sales. The system can work from a QR code, but it can also work from a link. And this link you can send in an email to the customer after his visit. If you want to try this, we would very much love to have your review as well. What I'm going to do is scan this QR code. The system opening a pop-up when I'm going to select English.
Thank you for your interest in our company. We'd love to hear from you. Could you please rate your experience with us?
So the way the system works is that if you're putting 1 or 2 or 3 stars, the chatbot is going to take the decision to bring you to some kind of questionnaire for feedback and quality purposes. But if you give a very good grade, which would be, for example, 4 or 5 stars, then the chatbot is going to also suggest you to leave a review on Google Review. Okay, so let's try to make a chatbot like that in less than 10 minutes. I think it's doable. So the first thing is to go to nearyo.com, neareo.com, and you just click on pricing. You will find all the links in the description. You can select the free plan and fill this up. Here I'm going to put Jerome, and for the username and for this case I'm going to take a hotel, which is the Hotel Manos here in Brussels. It's a very good hotel, and I'm going to select an email, which is suppose hello@nearyo.com. There. I've read and accept the terms, blah blah blah. I'm not a robot. Okay, here I just need to scroll and check this little box. Now here, because the chatbot is going to be on a landing page on NearYou, it's not required to put your website, so you can just skip this part and put your brand name here. Here I'm going to select the avatar name, which is going to be Manos Premier, or maybe even Hotel Manos Premier. I'm going to select some avatar icon, sorry, and that's it. And here is the chatbot, the default chatbot launching. So I don't really need to go through this. I can also do this. I can just remove those various so this should all be on the right side. Now I have a blank page, which is perfect. I could also, for example, put a color on this page so that I would have this logo showing again, like this one, and I can center in here. I can select a color code Now, okay, I have my image, my icon, my logo there. Now let's create the chatbot. So I just need to click on dashboard. Here is the default chat that we saw a few seconds ago, which is not required. I'm going to delete it. Right now, what I need to do is select one of the templates. I'm going to select the hospitality, get positive reviews on Google, the Pro version. And for that one, what I need to do is first save it in my scenarios so that it will show in my list. Once it is saved, I need to go to the settings here. I can maybe rename this to Hotel Manos Chatbot, and here the avatar name. So the Hotel Manos Chatbot is not going to be something public. This is really for you to identify the correct scenario. The avatar name is the public information. So here I'm going to edit the avatar image. So once again, I'm selecting this logo and I'm saving it. If you want to mute the chatbot, you can force the mute here so that it wouldn't speak. Maybe for people at the reception this will be a problem, so maybe you will want to mute the chatbot here. Now you can leave this like it is and just click on save. So right now what we're going to do is quickly modify the design. So for this you go to the chat design, which is still in beta mode. And you can for example change the font. You would be able to like edit the font sizes. So I'm going to keep the roboto one and select. Yeah, so here I'm making the avatar name a bit bolder. I'm going to select this color again, which is the main color of the website of the Manos. And I'm going to just change also the text here, these texts, and make them also in that same color. Maybe this gray border as well. Okay, that's maybe a bit strong. Can make it really light maybe. Okay, let's not spend time with this. So I'm saving. One thing which was important I forgot to mention, it's in full screen mode, and you can also change the background color to make it look good as you want. We are going to introduce videos there as well, which is going to be interesting. Now the most important part is to search for your place ID. So again, here you will need to go to a specific page that you will find in the description below. Now this is a page that allows you to find the place ID. Here you can type the Manos Premier, Hotel Manos Premier, which is there, and you will see this little code here that you can copy and put into your scenario. So there are 4 places where you will have to paste this. The first one is on the redirect. You can identify the redirect, which is on block 72 by this icon. So you click on it and you will see here this URL, which is ending by place ID equal your place ID, and you just need to replace it with the code that you found. That's one. You have also here, when the email is sent to the customer Then we have 3 languages. You can see that we are sending one email in English. And for that one, I can put the place ID here in French. And the else is the remaining language, which is Spanish. Now, you're almost done. You just need to put your place name here. So that would be this name. Oh, without Chatbot. So you just need to replace like that. Here again. In French, that would be an apostrophe. And this one for English. Here you would put your signature. I'm not going to do that. Of course, the hashtag, first name hashtag, this is a dynamic parameter that you should not change, so that it would be replaced with the customer first name. You can also see here that the email ID where we are going to send this email is also a dynamic value, which is coming from here, because we can see here that we are getting the customer email. So now that the links are correctly set here and here, we can just quickly have a look at the feedback questionnaire. So you can see that there are 3 questions to get some feedback and optimize the operations into your place. So you can change those texts easily. I'm not going to do this right now, and well, this is it. You just have to save your scenario, and it will be done. So the last thing you have to do is to go to the second icon, my launch groups, and here make sure that your scenario that you just created is checked. If it is, then you can just skip this, but if it is not, you should check it and click on save. So once this is done, you just click on launch and you generate a new QR code that you can even rename, like Hotel Manos. Don't forget, the more characters you put and the more complex will be your QR code, so don't make this too long. Now once it is done, you click on generate, and this is your shortcut. So you can share this URL with customers into your mailer, and you can also download the QR code just by clicking on it, and it will be downloaded to your download folder. Now, if you want to test this, you just go on some page, you paste your shortcut.
Thank you for your visit. We'd love to hear from you. Could you please rate your experience in our establishment?
I'm putting 4 stars.
Our greatest satisfaction is to serve you well. Would you be willing to leave a recommendation on Google Reviews? This means the world to us. Let me redirect you to our Google review form. We look forward to reading your feedback.
And here is the review form. So that's it. It's that simple, and I really hope that you will get awesome reviews. I know the COVID crisis has been hitting the hospitality sector very hard, so this should be at least helping a little bit. Have a great day. Bye-bye.